Hey, if you own a home in Farragut, man, do I have some great news for you. You won't believe what's happened in the last 24 months. Let's go for a ride. Hi, I'm Eric Whitener with the Knox Box Real Estate Group, and if you've owned your house in Farragut for 2 or more years, you could literally be sitting on a pile of cash. We know that the market's been hot and inventory is low and prices have been skyrocketing. But what does that mean to the person who already owns a home? In 2019, the average sales price for a home in Farragut was $416,000. Fast forward to 2021, and the average sales price was $569,000. Now that is a large jump and a lot of appreciation, which is awesome if you already owned a home. Just the closed sales for Farragut in January, the average sales price was $630,000. Now this is massive. This is a massive jump. And there is an opportunity for a homeowner to take advantage of this market. And one way to do that is with a cash out refinance. Okay, so what you do is you would basically refinance your mortgage. It would be at today's rates, and we know rates have gone up some, but you would basically borrow more than what you currently own and get the additional equity in cash to do things like pay off higher interest debt, credit cards, student loans, car payments, anything. You'd basically be consolidating your debt into your house payment and stretching out over 30 years, which would make the payment considerably lower than what you're currently paying on all of those debts. And also you get the benefit of the tax write-off, most likely, for your interest. So another thing that you can do with a cash out refi is you could take that money to do a home project that you have been wanting to do. Maybe you want to have a pool installed, or remodel kitchens, bath, whatever your home may need. You could literally be adding value to your home by refinancing it and pulling cash out. You might be thinking to yourself, well, how much cash are we talking about here? Well, I just want to give you just an example. Now, granted, you'd have to qualify for the new mortgage, but if you bought a house in 2019 for $400,000 and you put 20% down, that means you borrowed about $320,000. If your home today were worth $600,000, you could turn around and borrow up to, let's just say, another 80% loan to value, so you don't have PMI. You would be borrowing up to $480,000. So that's $160,000 in equity you potentially could pull out of your home. And of course, again, you have to qualify for all that, and it has to make sense. But maybe you only borrowed $100,000 or $80,000. I mean, what could you do with that money? So that's one big thing, is a cash out refi. The other is maybe your home just doesn't fit your needs anymore, and you've been thinking about maybe buying a new home or moving up or down, downsizing in a home. Well, right now is an amazing opportunity for you as a home seller. So if you were thinking about that, now may be an amazing time for you to do it, so you could take advantage of the market on the sale of your home. I'm Eric Whitener with the Knox Box Real Estate Group, and if you'd like to know what your home is worth in today's market, so you can decide what the best route for you is, whether it be to cash out refi to make your current home your dream home, or to pay off and consolidate debt, or maybe you're considering selling and you want to know if that's a good move for you, then let's connect. My contact information is down below, and I'd love to chat with you and just give you the information you need to make an informed decision. I appreciate you riding with me, and I look forward to chatting with you in the near future.